Matagal tayo, matagal tayo.
Guys, Eric Santos, everyone.
Thank you. You know what, it's such a blessing for me na maging parte ka ng tour ko na to.
Ay.
Kasi 18 din po ako din yung may pata. Alam niyo yung Miss Del yan, and talagang for me, you are very talented and world class. Basta ano lang alam ko napakarami mo pang kayang gawin. You are very excellent in what you do. And ang ma-advise ko lang sa'yo, just stay humble and continue loving the people who truly love you. Diba? Kapag minahal mo sila ng totoo at alam mo, sasamahan ka nila hanggang pagtanda.
Parang ikaw, Eric!
Actually, gusto ko nga sabihin tama ka dyan. Kasi hindi talaga forever ako magiging humble kasi ito yung role model ko.
Oh.
Tagal-tagal na sa industry, pero grabe, buhay na buhay, sumisipa. Pwede pa mag-lower yan.
Alam mo naman, baka lang matastas yung pansalan mo.
Pero, Eric, thank you so much po.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Stella. Thank you so much. And for now, let's give him this wonderful medley ng ilan po sa mga hit Broadway musicals. Sana po yung mga ibigan mo. Have you ever felt that nobody was there? Have you ever felt forgotten in the middle of nowhere? Have you ever felt like you like you could fall and no one would near? Never know you feeling was your maybe there's a reason to believe you'll be okay. Cause when it don't feel strong enough to stand, you can reach out the hand. And someone will come running, and I know they'll take you home. Even when the night comes crashing through, when you need a friend to carry you, and when you're broken on the ground, you will be fine. So let the sun come streaming in, 'cause you reach up and you'll rise again in the hand of the ground. You will be
It's not simple to stay. Most days I don't recognize them. Tissues and this apron, that place and its spectrums have taken more than I've given. It's not easy to know I'm not anything
and wonder that makes this whole thing keep me alive. How wondrous it is wanting to fly, but scared to try. Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm filled with blame by the fools of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leave. It's time to try. Gravity, I think I'll try gravity, and you can't hold me down.
I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says there's some things that I couldn't change. Till I try, I'll never know.
So I'm not afraid of the reason